This morning felt different. When I arrived at school, my name was already on the screen, Headmaster of the day, and that name was mine. Inside, I met Allan, the head of junior school for the day. We had our first official meeting together. Mr. Mills gave us both our special hoodies, real Headmaster hoodies. Our first mission greeting the staff. We walked through the corridors, shaking hands, saying good morning to the teachers and support teams. Then we headed to meet the Haileybury Parents Association, who are hosting the book swap for Teachers' Day. After a short break, it was time for the Key Stage 1 assembly. After the assembly, we spent some time greeting parents and chatting. I met some of my friends. They couldn't believe it. Then came one of the most interesting parts, visiting the area for the new playground project. We looked at the space, talked about ideas, and imagined what it could become. Next was the Key Stage 2 assembly. That one was special. Students I used to study with before moving to senior school. When I walked in with Mr. Mills, they started whispering, laughing, and waving. Some even saluted me like I was the president. Allan joined us again. He did such a great job all day, shaking hands, smiling, and working hard. But right near the end of the assembly, he sat down and fell asleep. Poor Allan, I guess being a head isn't as easy as it looks like. As the day came to an end, I finally understood what it really means to be a headmaster. Today, I didn't just learn about leadership, I lived it. And even if it was just for one day, it was one of the best days ever.